Renewable energy is an alternative energy. It is clean, it is sustainable, and it is virtually inexhaustible. Renewable energy is energy collected from renewable resources, which means that its resources will replenish over time. Renewable energy often provides energy in four important areas, which are electricity generation, air water heating or cooling, transportation, and off-grid energy services. Biomass is renewable energy derived from living or recently living organisms, mostly plants. Biomass is converted to energy through various methods, but most commonly through direct combustion. Biomass sources include wood and wood processing waste, agricultural crops and waste materials, biogenic materials in municipal solid waste, animal manure, and human sewage. Biomass source is burned in a boiler to produce high-pressure steam. This steam flows over a series of turbine blades, causing them to rotate. The rotation of the turbine drives a generator, producing electricity. Biomass can be converted to liquid fuel through pyrolysis. During pyrolysis, biomass is heated at lower temperature range but in complete absence of oxygen to produce a crude bio-oil.
Now I will discuss about the hydropower energy. Hydropower energy is using water to power machinery or make electricity. Water constantly moves through a vast global cycle, evaporating from lakes and oceans, forming clouds, precipitating as rain or snow, then flowing back down to the ocean. The energy of this water cycle, which is driven by the sun, can be tapped to produce electricity or mechanical tasks like breeding grain. Hydropower uses a pure water that is not reduced or used up in the process. When flowing water is captured and turned into electricity, it is called hydroelectric power or hydropower. There are several types of hydroelectric facilities. They are all powered by the kinetic energy of flowing water as it moves downstream. Turbines and generators convert the energy into electricity, which is then fed into the electric grid to be used in homes, business, and industry. There are two types of hydro turbines, which is impulse turbine and reaction turbine. The impulse turbine generally use the velocity of the water to move the runner and discharge to the atmospheric pressure. The water stream hits each bucket of the runner. There is no suction on the downside of the turbine, and the water flows out the bottom of the turbine housing after hitting the runner. A reaction turbine develops power from the combination and pressure on moving water. The runner is placed directly in the water stream flowing over the blades rather than striking each individually. The type of hydropower turbine selected for a project is based on the height of standing water, which is referred to as head, and flow or volume of water at the side. Other deciding factors include how deep the turbine must be set, efficiency, and cost. Now we will go through to the hydropower energy in Malaysia. The threat of climate change caused by burning fossil fuels and escalating fossil fuels price make the further rapid development of renewable energy source a global imperative. Hydropower as the largest clean and renewable energy source, energy provided by small hydropower is considered a renewable alternative that meets the need to reduce dependence on fossil fuels while substantially reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, small hydropower is considered one of the most cost-effective and environmentally friendly energy generation technologies in Malaysia.
So, I will talk about wind energy. Wind energy is used to generate renewable power or electricity. In this process, the kinetic energy from the wind converted into mechanical power by the wind turbine. The mean wind speed over Malaysia is generally below 5 meters per second. Based on observation, Sabah and Sarawak has the highest wind speed, followed by Kelantan, Johor and Terengganu. The wind speed at the location can reach more than 5 meters per second during northeast monsoon season. The direction of the wind is from northeast and east quadrant during the northeast monsoon season. During the southwest monsoon season, the wind blows from southwest quadrant. Energy conversion principle of wind energy is the effect of the kinetic energy of the airflow. The power content in the wind is proportional to the cube of the wind speed and the air density. The energy in the wind is converted into rotational energy by the wind turbine rotor. The conversion can be made either by aerodynamic force acting on the rotor blades or by the air pressure acting on the rotor blades. One turbine has a few main components, which is motor, blade, gearbox transmission, generator, nozzle and tower. The modern grid-connected wind turbine has 3 blades, each elevated turbine with nozzle mounted on the top of a tubular tower. The height is about 60 to 90 meters, while the rotor diameter is between 60 to 90 meters. The rotor diameter and the height depends on the capacity of the wind turbine. The total energy conversion system for grid-connected wind turbine is installed in the nacelle. The main components of wind turbine is first, rotor, second, generator. The power that generated by the generator is transmitted to the grid through a step-up transformer. The advantage of wind energy is clean source of power, it is cost-effective and use of modern technology. The disadvantage of wind energy: first, it is wind reliability, and second, it is very expensive to set up.
Solar power. Solar power is a clean green electricity source from the sunlight. Installing solar power system is a residential setting, generally means setting up a solar photovoltaic or solar thermal system on the roof. What is photovoltaic? Photo means light. Photon means energy particle that comes from the sunlight. And voltaic means producing a voltage or volt. So, how does PV cell generate electricity? The light of sun shine on the solar panel. Then the solar panel generates DC emission. This DC current is rotated in the solar power converter and converts into 240 volt AC. Any supplies electricity generated by the system are not used by the occupier back into the electricity supply unit. Solar energy is renewable energy that is sustainable, unlike fossil fuel that are renewable. Solar energy is also non-polluting source of energy and does not emit emissions of changes in producing electricity. Solar electricity can supplement your entire or partial energy production. Solar energy technology. There are three types of solar energy, which is photovoltaic system, solar hot water, and solar electricity. Photovoltaic system. Photovoltaic system is produced by electricity directly from sunlight. Then solar hot water. Solar hot water is heating water with solar energy. And last is solar electricity, using the sun's heat to produce electricity. What are the advantages if we use renewable energy? The advantage of renewable energy is eco-friendly, renewable resources, reliable source of energy, lead to job creation, less maintenance of facilities, and save money and profit. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.